Most older men think they have to chase younger women, but the truth? If you know the right moves, the game flips. She'll be the one chasing you. Today, I'm giving you powerful tips that will make younger women see you as magnetic, irresistible, and different from all the boys her age. Let's dive in. Number 1. Own your confidence, don't compete. You're not here to act like a 22-year-old. Your edge is maturity. When you walk into a room, your posture, your calmness, your self-control, these speak louder than trying too hard. She'll notice that you're comfortable in your own skin. Number 2. Lead with experience, not ego. You've lived, you've learned. Share your stories, lessons, and wisdom. But here's the trick. Do it with charm, not arrogance. You want her to feel like being with you is an adventure because she learns, laughs, and grows around you. Number 3. Show emotional control. Younger men often overreact, get jealous, or needy. An older man who can stay cool under pressure? That's attractive beyond words. When she sees you don't get rattled easily, she'll feel safe, grounded, and drawn to you. Number 4. Dress like a man, not a boy. Fashion is your silent weapon. Tailored shirts, clean shoes, classic style, not trendy hype. A younger woman instantly respects a man who looks like he takes care of himself. Number 5. Be mysterious, not desperate. Stop oversharing. Stop proving yourself. When you reveal things slowly, with time, she gets curious, and curiosity creates chase. Number 6. Support her dreams, don't control them. Younger women admire older men who encourage them instead of limiting them. Show her you respect her independence. That's rare, and it makes you unforgettable. Number 7. Master the art of silence. Here's the truth. Boys talk too much to impress. Men, they know the power of pauses. Silence makes her lean in, makes her wonder, makes her think about you long after the conversation ends. Number 8. Value yourself first. The final and most powerful tip, never put her on a pedestal. Your life, your purpose, your goals, they come first. When a younger woman feels that you're not chasing, she'll be the one chasing you. Remember, age is your advantage. You've got the experience, the confidence, and the calm energy that younger men can't fake. Play it right, and you won't need to run after her. She'll chase you. If this opened your eyes, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more real talk on dating, confidence, and attraction. This is your edge. Use it wisely.